Okay, this is my fucking GoDaddy hosting hosting service. This is well, long story short, I bought a WordPress hosting with GoDaddy to host my new website. I bought a service that was assuring a traffic suitable for 400,000 visits per month. uh, I started to have some problems with this service, and then they GoDaddy uh, assessed me and told me it was better to shift to a cPanel hosting, which was more reliable and safer and easier. And then I accepted this offer, and then I switched to the cPanel. From since then, I have this huge amount of problems, and what happens is that basically I have these constant statistics here with physical memory usage, which is basically up to its limit, and the input-output usage as well is up to the limit almost all the time. This produces a constant 503 error on my website, so basically it becomes inaccessible. The web hosting I bought initially with WordPress hosting say that basically the only situation that would provoke this kind of error would be a file sharing website. But actually my website, as you can see, is receiving no visits since, well, at least half an hour, as you can see. And yet I have this kind of traffic detection, and this basically results in the it makes it impossible to also, I don't know, switch in the backend between I don't know, some settings with no graphics and nothing. So I wonder, are they gonna solve this problem sometime soon, or do I have to file some complaint or legal cause? I don't know. Let's see what happens.